Hi, my name is WiIson Tovar. I am from WiIson Meta. I am studying University UNAD. I am B2 English Advanced. I belong to the section Acacias Meta. I'm really happy to be here. And I show the black hole. I'm going to explain it. First, there is a guy in his office. He's printing some pages. Suddenly, he got a black hole in one of those pages. He thought it was a mistake, put it close. Uh, After a while, he was drinking water. And he put the glass of water on the black hole, and the glass disappeared. He was scared at the first time, but after a while, he discovered the ability. So he tried with many things, and he went to the refrigerator. He got some food, easy food. After a while, he went to his boss office, and he wanted to get all the money. The there was safe deposit box, so he got almost all the money, but it was missing some part. So he got into the box, but suddenly the page got down. He couldn't get that. He couldn't get away because he put all his body in the box. Maybe he died finally, and actually I think he died. So that that short film give me a lot of teaching about not to be so ambitious. Really enjoy that I what I have. Okay, so let's start it. The first question is, how important is the money for you? For me, is really important because with that money I pay taxes, I pay food, I pay rent, I use it for all I need. But I think it's not the most important. For me, especially for me, the most important is why how you spend your life. For me, for example, being a teacher is amazing because I enjoy what I do every day. So uh, I use my profession to get the money because I need it, but I enjoy what I do, teaching philosophy. So continue. What would you do if you have a black hole like the one in the short film? Okay, I had many temptation at first time when I read that question. Maybe getting some easy food from many places, but that's not allowed. So it's not right. Maybe I use it to get some thing, for example, from private rooms, maybe to make jokes with my friends, something like that. But okay, no more. Is the money the root of all evil? Why is it? Okay, let me tell you, many people destroy their life because of the money, because they rob, they steal, kill anybody, you know. That happened in our society, that happened in our cities, and really it's a pity. But I think 90%, 95% of the population around the world, they spend the money in a good way. They work and they get the money to pay all they need. But many people destroy their life because of the money. That depends of in the case. But it's really necessary to get that money in our life. So this, how far would you go to in order to make money? Okay, I have to say, maybe invest money in a store, in a new business would be risky, but would be great for to get some money. Maybe to save up. I try to save up every month when I have the opportunity, but sometimes it's really hard because you need to buy many things and you sometimes have temptation about go to the mall and get things that you need. But that's how far I would go. Would you consider having a risky legal job just because of the money you can make? When I was 18 years old and I have to go to military service, I decided not to go. I'd say my father, my mother, okay, I need to get the money to pay that, but I don't go. I naturally I didn't go. From that moment in my life, I decided not to make like risky things or illegal things to get money or to get other things. I've decided I wanted to dedicate my life, to spend my life in studying. That's really important for me. I enjoy it a lot doing that. So, and life is so short to to spend it, like maybe in risky thing or wasting risky thing. So that's it, I think. Conclusion. What can I say about that? In the first time when I watched that short film and teach me that or taught me that ambitious is not really good. Maybe you need to be ambitious to get things, to go to war, maybe to get what you need, but really be ambitious to where you lie just for money, not. I think this lie is so short. And possibly happen the same like the guy who got into the box and he couldn't get away because he was close. Maybe we can get many troubles, many problems because of that. That's it. I try to enjoy my life. Sometimes we don't have a lot of money, but I try to enjoy what I have. And every time I want to present that in my thoughts, not being so ambitious to destroy what I have, or not to watch, not to see what I have. Thank you very much. See you soon.